Hi guys, welcome to our channel VJ Spikes. Let's get straight into our topic. Exams, be it at the entrance level, university level, or even at the school level, can be one of the major causes of stress. The CBSE board exams considered to be the most important exam for high school level students. It is considerably important and according to several surveys has known to left an impactful mark on students' mental health. If you are someone you know is about to give their CBSE board examinations, keep reading. The key to performing well in the exams, apart from studying hard, grasping everything, and retaining everything, is being able to study smart and in a proper manner so that your efforts essentially convert into impressive performance. I tried to collect some helpful preparation tips that you as an exam taker can follow to do well in your upcoming board examination. The first tip is follow a proper schedule. Sleep early, get up early in the morning, have a proper breakfast and then study. Do not stay up late and try avoiding to worry about counterproductive moments. Keep preparing for the important day. Take out an hour or two to relax and not think about the exams. Read, sleep, play, or do whatever you think diverts your attention away from exams. The second tip is don't have too much on your plate. Exercise your brain in a constructive way and do not burden it with a lot of thoughts. Be clear in your mind and do not pressure yourselves to cover things that are beyond your reach. Make realistic targets for a day. Even Rome was not built in a day. So do not overdo things. Do not try to study everything in a single day. Try taking it slow and plan your revision accordingly. Of the 5 or 6 subjects, pick up 2 or a maximum of 3 subjects and pick up a topic or 2 from each and go into the depths of the topic instead of skimming 8 to 10 topics. Third tip is mix and match. Plan your day well. Like a good meal, it is important to have all the essential ingredients while studying as well. So, do not have all easy subjects topics in a day or do not overburden yourself with topics that you find difficult. To maximize your output, start your study day with a light subject for an hour or so. Once you get warmed up, take up a heavy subject or a topic, study that for 2 hours or so, and gradually increase the level of preparation. For example, if you find mathematics tough and English easy, start your study day by reading a chapter or two from your textbook for English. After you are done with English, solve a topic from mathematics for 2 hours. Gradually increase the level of difficulty of the questions you attempt. Once you are through with this exercise, take a break for a while and resume with a topic you are relatively comfortable with. The fourth tip is solve sample papers. It is often said that there is no better practice than match practice. Solve one CBSE sample question paper each day, preferably from 10 am to 1 pm, in an environment as close to the one you expect at your examination center. After you have solved the paper, mark yourself as per the CBSE marking scheme. Pick a different subject for each of the 5-6 days. Assess yourself at the end of the week. Look at your weak areas and try to rectify them in the weeks to follow. While solving sample papers, make a point to solve the ones provided by the CBSE. The papers provided by CBSE are the closest possible papers to the real thing available to you. Attempting sample question papers is one of the best ways to revise for your exams. The fifth tip is practice the art of relaxation. Exercise and meditation help improve concentration. Many of the athletes and sports professionals regularly employ meditation methods. Studies have found a direct correlation between concentration exercises and the performance level of sports professionals. Meditation strengthens the mind. It comes under control and is able to provide effective guidance to the physical body to effectively execute all its projects. Psychological exercises are a powerful way of improving concentration and improving mental strength. So, go for a walk in the park early in the morning before you start studying or spend 15 minutes meditating, adopting yoga poses like the lotus pose. Yoga and other forms of exercise meditation can help you relax your mind and concentrate better. So, when you look at it, The final month is important for everyone. The ones who have their preparation in fourth gear can still improve it by putting it in overdrive, and the ones who have some doubts can still improve by concentrating on their weak areas, while simultaneously focusing on their areas of strength. During this time, the aim of a student should be to perform to the best of his or her abilities and also concentrating on keeping himself healthy. You should concentrate on performing to the best of your abilities while not worrying much about the end results. Hope you got an idea on how to prepare for the board exams using the above techniques. I wish you all the best for the upcoming exams. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.